Oh, that's just out of the reach of the keeper.
And so many times we have seen when there's not a slip. Excellent ball there. The keeper went a little later, but you needed one slip to get that catch in.
Slicing that away, just behind square on the offside, and that's gone for 4.
Good quick hands by the batter. Shahzaib Khan opening the face of the bat, finding the gap for 4 runs.
High on the bat, tried to pull it, might be a wicket. As a wicket, that's a big one. Thomas, that's the one they really wanted, I reckon. You can see the smiles from the skipper.
And George Thomas didn't get going this time. Tried to pull it, push it off the back foot. Didn't middle it at all. Easy catch for Habibullah. We saw one boundary from his bat. That too was an edge. So it's not been easy so far.
Brink up some dot balls and stop some boundaries. Not to be.
And he times it really well. This time, this one is even a better shot than the last one.
And that's gone over the top, and that's one bounce, and that's screamed away for a boundary.
That's good batting, putting pressure onto the bowler. Just 3 fielders on the leg side. He went full, got hit on the offside. This time, adjusted the length a little too much. A quick swivel.
And he's picked that up as well, so the runs are coming. Runs are coming quite comfortably.
There was a lot of pressure before these 3 deliveries on the Mardan Warriors. He faltered with the length and with the line this time. 3 fielders on the leg side, full onto the legs. Excellent connection.
That's over the top, and that's 4 more.
Up and over.
Yeah, he's going to feed off Shahzaib off that last over too. That's a little benefit for half volley. Drilled, and drilled for 4.
Exquisite timing, good balance, good head position. Everything classy about that shot.
Short, gets the pull shot out. And he's got that away as well.
12 of 3 deliveries. This time he was not fully in control, but there was no one deep fine. Even a half connection means there are 4 runs on offer.
They are to get back into this game. That's a beautiful looking shot. Wow.
Yeah, if they're going to entertain thoughts of winning this game, they need to get rid of Farouk and Shahzaib as quickly as possible. The onslaught has been fantastic up until now, but the start they were looking for wasn't there.
Whether this comes off a pad, I have to wait and see, or whether it will be given wides. They'll run away.
Oh, that's put away. That is put away.
And even though they lost George Thomas earlier, they've just come out with that belief. Even though they're chasing a low target, they wanted to get this game done quickly. Not allow the Raiders to put them under pressure and stop them scoring. Just be positive. Down the wicket from Shahzaib, and he gets enough of it. Farouk, he's just under 200 strike rate at the moment.
Such a good shot. He's waited until the ball's out the bowler's hand so he can't see that he's advancing down the wicket to him. And once you've done that, you've eliminated the ability of the bowler to bowl a different ball. So it's up to you really what you want to do.
I think they've got to try everything now. This will run away for a boundary.
Made its way very quickly down to that fine leg boundary. He's going to be bowling that quickly. He's got to try and get the line right. Outside the off stump.
Oh dear. I don't know how to describe it. Could be a wicket. It is a wicket.
I'm not so sure how to describe the delivery. Yeah, it's done the job. That's what matters. Looks like it's almost gone through that hand, actually. But lodges safely in the end. The end of a good partnership, 65. in just 44 balls. Look at that reaction.
That's a big shot because the half-tracker chances here. Catch it, yes.
And it's Afnan Khan again with the wickets. The important wicket of Shahzeb Khan. He wanted to go big. Good catch in the deep.
Shot. That's a good shot. So effortless back foot punch.
Only taking singles, but a shot like that on the up. Excellent weight transfer. Full face of the bat. Beautiful shot.
Straight. That's a shot. That is a shot and a half.
Right from the middle of the bat, straight down the ground. Now he's finding his groove. Ollie Cox, all he needed was to spend some time on the pitch. He did not play the last game. In the field, his confidence was down, but this shot, this will give him a lot of confidence.
Going straight to the man at mid-on. The captain rather, takes the catch.
He's looked to go over the bowler's head. More precisely mid-on. He's closed the face on the ball. That's why he hasn't managed to get the elevation and the right contact that he was looking for. Hassan Isakhel takes the catch.
And that's just tipped away down to that vacant third man region, and that's gone for 4, and that is the victory. Mardan Warriors get up and win this. Really outplayed